Hey guys, I want to tell you about your last assignment of the year. So, we're going to go ahead and go into classwork, and we're going to take a look in the assorted ending, and we're going to look at the $1,000,000 project. So, we're going to go ahead and view this assignment. And we're going to go over the rules of the assignment. First of all, it's worth 40 points. It's due May 21st. Here's how it goes. You get $1,000,000 to spend. It's all pretend, of course. I'm a teacher. I can't write that many checks for $1,000,000 to all of you. I'm sorry about that. You have to spend every last cent of it. No pennies left over, and you can't go over. The assignment has you proving what you buy, and it automatically adds it up for you. You may only buy items from the internet. So that means if you find a magazine or a flyer in your mailbox, you have to go to the website to get the link to be able to verify that price. So it's got to be searched out on the internet. You may only use a website once. And when I say that, that means like the base of the website, like Walmart, Zillow, Auto Trader, J.C. Penney's, whatever it is, eBay. You can only use that once. You may only buy one of each type of item. For instance, you only get one house, one car, one motorcycle, one shirt, one baby rattle, one bag of chips, one piece of gum, whatever. One of each. The hardest part of this is you must buy at least 10 different items. Sometimes I have kids trying to buy a house for $1,000,000 and say, I'm done with the project. No, you still have 9 more things to buy. So you want to think about that when you're buying your items. A couple other things. If you buy from eBay, you must choose the buy it now option. No bidding. You cannot donate your money away to any charities. You cannot invest any of your money. You have to buy something with the price listed. So each time you buy something, you'll log it in the spreadsheet provided by Ms. K below. The spreadsheet will add up your purchases and confirm your expenditures, which means it's going to tell you how much you're spending and how much you got left. So in cell C22, you're going to see how much you've spent. In C23, it's going to say how much you've got left to spend. So what goes in this spreadsheet? You have to give the exact name of the item category, like shirt, house, car. You have to give the item cost and the exact URL where you purchased the item. And you do that by copying the URL and pasting it in the spreadsheet. You want everything to add up to exactly $1,000,000, and I will be checking the formula to make sure you just didn't type 1,000,000 and 0. It's not very difficult. If you need to adjust the columns, we'll worry about that on Friday when I return. It's always easier to buy your high line items first. In other words, the really expensive stuff like house, boats, or cars. If you need more lines on your sheet, I'll help adjust those for you on Friday because that takes a little bit. So, how do you do the project? So, here we go. This is your log sheet. I'm going to show you, if you look at the bottom, right now, it says I've spent $0 and I have $1,000,000 left to spend. If I want my highest line item, I'm probably going to buy a house. So, one of the good places you can go to buy a house is Zillow, Zillow, just like pillow, only with a Z. In fact, this is where I rented my last apartment, and where I found the last house I bought. So I'm a seasoned veteran on this one. So you have to type in your address or the city that you want to live in. I'm going to go ahead and choose Destin, Florida. Destin's on the Panhandle. It sits on the beach, known as the Emerald Coast. So your price range. My guess, what I would probably choose is between $700,000 and $900,000. Sounds like a lot, doesn't it? Yeah, you might be surprised. So as I scroll down, do you notice these? They are more like condos, and that's fine. And it says 18. I'm trying to find, there we go. So, but I'm looking for more of a house. Here we go. I like this one. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. You can see if I move off of it. Whoa. If I were to buy this house, it would be $3,699 a month. Oops, bumped up $3,883 a month. So this is the house. Wow, it's pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to the pictures if my Chromebook will ever show me the scrolly thing. Oh, yeah, that's really nice. Wallpaper's going to have to go. Oh, I like the mirrored doors to make it look bigger. Nice bathtub. Great vanity. Wonderful kitchen. Basement. Screened-in porch so the alligators don't get you. No, I'm kidding. Well, maybe so. And then a fire pit. I like it. So, and if you look, it's not that far from an inlet from the Gulf of Mexico. So that's really cool. I'm going to get this house. So I'm going to hit Control C. I'm going to copy that URL. That's what I'm talking about when I say URL. I'm going to paste it in the item website. I'm going to go back. It says $875,000. And I just typed it. I didn't even type it money style. But it's going to know because I told it when I built the thing. So now you can see I've spent $875,000. I have $125 left to spend. The item category is my house. And the exact item name, I'm going to just go ahead and copy this actual physical address. In other words, that's where you would find this house. And I'll post it in there. Now, this is the only house I can buy. The next thing I'm going to want to get is my car. And there's a bunch of car things. Carvana didn't work for me earlier, so I'm going to go to Auto Trader. There are also other websites out there, but and you can go to Google and search, Lamborghini for sale if you want to. That's fine. You just have to be able to prove you have to be able to prove your price. So I'm going to go to, I have 125,000. Let's go to an Infinity. I'm going to click down by model. I have no idea what I'm looking at here. I'm just guessing. Let's go with an FX35. I have no idea. Let's see what we get. Those aren't very much. Let's go back and try it again. That must be an older model. I'm going to get rid of that FX. Okay. Oh, here we go. An Infinity. There we are. A new 2021 Infinity QX80 Sensory. Now, that really isn't my cup of tea, but yeah, it's pretty. It will do the job, so I'm going to copy that. Control C for my website. Paste that in there. The price on that thing was $86,340. It's my car. And I'm going to get the new 2021 Infiniti QX80 Sensory. Control C. And I'm going to put it in there. Control V. Now, if it goes a little over, if you want to, you can change. Obviously, that's size 24. That's too big. You could change it when I get back too. But what I want you to see is that it is adding stuff up. Now I only have $38,660 to spend. The hard part is when you come down to the end and you only have a couple cents left. Then you'll have to search out items for $1, items for $0.25, items for a penny. But basically, I think you understand, if you've been watching, how this assignment is completed. If you have any questions, you'll probably have to hold them through through Thursday today, which is Thursday, I guess, in your case, and ask me on Friday. Have a great day and enjoy the assignment.